Today I'm going to tell you 9 amazing health benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar before bedtime. Apple cider vinegar is clinically proven to be rich in enzymes, minerals and antioxidants. These promote overall health and are perfect dietary supplements for taking care of your digestive system. However, many people can initially be put off by the vinegar's overpowering taste. Fortunately, you don't need to drink it raw and straight to reap its benefits. Some people avoid the overpowering acidic taste by mixing apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's commonly known, to vegetables. They can substitute regular vinegar for ACV when preparing salads. It can also be mixed with olive oil to create a dressing with a unique flavour. But did you know that you can mix apple cider vinegar with tea to produce amazing health benefits? You can dilute it in water or mix it with other beverages at night to achieve significant health improvements. Here are several ways ACV can help if you drink it before going to bed. 1. It helps treat bad breath. Halitosis is caused by bacteria residing in your mouth. It is characterized by bad odor coming from your mouth and an unpleasant taste on your tongue when you wake up in the morning. Mix a slice of lemon, 1 tablespoon of ACV and 8 ounces of water. Drink this before sleeping and let its antibacterial properties do the work for you. 2. ACV regulates blood sugar. Blood sugar can spike at night and prevent you from falling asleep. It's actually one of the leading causes of insomnia. High blood sugar can also impede your body from processing fat and contributes to weight gain. Taking apple cider vinegar at night regulates blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. You can have a good night's sleep and lose weight in the process too. Just take 2 teaspoons of ACV before going to bed. However, you should consult with your doctor first if you are already taking medication for blood sugar or diabetes. 3. It can stop hiccups. Hiccups are involuntary and annoying contractions of the diaphragm, which can be triggered by your throat and digestive tract. The strong flavour of apple cider vinegar can overcome the nerve signals in your throat that tells your diaphragm to contract. However, you need to take 1 undiluted tablespoon of ACV for this. It can relieve your sinuses. Apple cider vinegar can help you get through pollen season and episodes of nasal allergies. If you don't have an over-the-counter decongestant, drinking tea with 2 tablespoons of ACV can do the trick. The vinegar has magnesium, potassium and B vitamins that can easily be absorbed by the body. These nutrients will relax the sinuses and relieve the irritation so you can breathe more freely. 5. ACV calms down an upset tummy. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a warm cup of water. Drinking this can soothe the stomach and regulate the pH in your digestive tract. This can stop stomach cramps and help you release excess gases that can make you feel bloated. 6. It can help you lose weight. Apple cider vinegar can help your weight loss regimen in several ways. First, it inhibits the conversion of starches into calories, which eventually transforms to body fats. Secondly, it's capable of suppressing your appetite. Pectin, which is a natural compound found in ACV, can make you feel full. Sipping tea with ACV can help you get just the right amount of pectin. It can reduce your cravings for a midnight snack by making you feel satisfied for longer periods. 7. It's a remedy for acid reflux. Acid reflux can be a vicious cycle. When you vomit, acid is expelled so your stomach will try to overcompensate and produce more. This can cause excess digestive acid to climb your esophagus and burn your throat. An hour before lying down at night, take 1 full glass of water with 1 tablespoon of ACV diluted in it. It will balance the acid content in your stomach and prevent it from producing more, effectively averting reflux in the process. 8. It prevents cramps at night. Restless legs when sleeping can usually lead to cramps. Continuous movement of legs when you sleep can deplete the oxygen content in your muscles. This can cause them to cramp up and leave you with a painful and swollen feeling. You can prevent this from happening by increasing your blood potassium level. Simply dilute 2 tablespoons of ACV in water and drink. The solution will quickly replenish potassium in your body and prevent cramps. 9. It relieves a sore throat. Sore throat is often caused by bacteria that lives at the back of your mouth. The bacteria secrete waste that causes inflammation, hence the feeling of pain, especially when swallowing. Fortunately, the acetic acid in ACV has potent antibacterial characteristics. Take 1 teaspoon of undiluted ACV 3 times in 30-minute intervals. For example, take your first dose an hour before going to bed. Drink the next teaspoon after 30 minutes and take the last just before going to sleep. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more great videos from Trendy Natural Remedies.